Indian loggers. There's loggers and Indians on the same river. And there's a trading post because down the river is where they'd send all their stuff. You know, and you get the white guys going up north, the Frenchmen and Spaniards, getting all the stuff from the hills. Trying to send it down the rivers back to civilization. Well, these Indians didn't like it when the loggers fucking tore down some of their sacred groves. And then one time, big grizzly bear! Chased after this logger. Finally bit him in the ass. And the logger fucking screamed like a little